My video and blog, the Strait of Hormuz, the oil tankers and gas, Strait of Hormuz, Iran company and Pacific Sea to around in Asia for delivery and tanker for transport core cities and automobile for the market of energy. So, para sa akin, you know what? Ang laki na kasi ng ano ng Amerika, 'di ba? Sacrifice of Philippines, in the Battle of China, America is Israel, the battle for Iran. United Kingdom is not a fair thing because for the reason why about US and or over our city and problem to Philippines, I believe to China will, but all is done here for longer war. Di ba hindi pa sila nag-uumpisa? Ang tagal-tagal nila mag-umpisa. Ang ibang bansa nag-uumpisa na. Anong gagawin yan? It's fake. Stronger fake and liar. And shut up. Living for whatever your stupid mouth. Filipino people, government, or whatever Asian. Understanding for gas. Bakit? Hindi naman kayo gumagawa ng mga gas or oil. Bumibili lang kayo, hindi gumawa kayo sarili nyo. Your opinion, your problem. It's not a problem for foreigner. Excuse me. This is war nation, it's not you. It's not your important world. So yung point naman, kaya lang, ako hindi rin ako titigil na hindi matutuloy ang World War III ng Philippines, Taiwan, Japan, Korea for involved sa Philippine Sea and South China Sea para to judgment. So going to destroy an illegal politic fake and fake prophets and people behind this corrupted our land. The war nation, di ba na sinasamantala nila? To, sinasamantala yung pagbagsak ng economy, tataas sila, anything. Binili lang naman nila yung sa ibaba, sa bakit sila magtataas? Wala na ang supply. Ibig sabihin, kaya sila magtataas. So, what do you more in your money living? Anong gagawin nyo sa pera nyo? Wala naman kayo mabibili ng pera. Hindi na kailangan ng purpose money ngayon. Gold, silver, and diamond lang. Ang kailangan sa history of natin for the World War III. Yun, hindi na ngayon payamanan, pantay-pantay na lahat ng tayong dukha, mahirap, ugly o pangit, isa lang ang tingin sa ating basura. Derte, tampas lupa. You know what? A stronger, stupid, real, and over tremendous news. So, kailangan matuloy ang World War III ng Iranian, America, Israel at the beginning for our damages nation. Wala kayong pakialam, hayaan nyo sila. Kailangan matapos yan for the changing of our lives on earth and military debt and destroy the nation. Okay? So, Iranian government for her whatever politics next prime minister leader, huwag kayong papayag, gumanti kayo sa Amerika. Harbor attack. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng Iranian military force, helicopter attack of USA. Lahat yan. 1,000 jet or power nuclear ballistic missile, pauulanin nila ang buong Amerika. Ang China attack sa Philippines for harbor, buong Philippines. Taiwan. Bilisan nyo na, tapusin nyo, kailangan nyo malagdaan sa end times. Talagat coming here. Alam nyo ba, nangyayari, reject. Parang walang record, hindi tinatanggap ng Christ yung ating history because all the other villains, may other people corrupt and illegal, fake, and always evil, liar you are, okay? Huwag na kayo mag-assume. Yan ang katotohanan sa mundo ngayon. Kaya ipaglaban nyo yan for dead body and for your spirit body before kumbaga sa tukao homeless. It's beginning longer for World War III. Ako ready naman ako for the die in the Philippines, Wala naman akong house, wala akong car, wala akong boyfriend or what. And this are living for online, all over to me. This is the beginning. Hey, this is not all the beginning. I can't handle it for a sacrifice to you in a war. Lahat ng kinakain ko sa Philippines, pinagtatrabahuan ko, walang libre. Kaya wala kayong karapatan at wala akong ibibigay sa inyong blessing o save the world nation. No way. I am miracle on this earth to sacrifice, going to regen and destroy the world. Yun ang aking position. Walang pwedeng pumigil sa akin. Mapapahamak lang ng mga bansa o lahi o whatever leader in front. You know what? Still follow to my YouTube channel. Thank you.